I'm sorry?
Yes, I lost my little brother. That's the only way I could cook my pain.
What happened? If you mind me asking, what happened to your little brother?
He got killed
He did? What, gunfire?
with a knife.
Oh, sorry to hear that, bro. What, your man?
Why are you asking this man these questions?
2025, popular Harlem drill rapper d.Osama was arrested in Florida for carrying a firearm and possession of weed. His bond was set at just $1,500.
Oh,
Now,
shit, he cool
we've got
then.
the body cam footage of the moment it all
should
went
have
down.
The car? The phone and everything. Oh my god, it smells like weed, bro. Stand up. Sir, just step out. Leave everything in the car. Don't reach for any. Leave your phone. Okay? Your car smells like weed. Okay? We have a narcotics dog in detection of narcotics in the vehicle. If the dog alerts, then we'll search the car. If the dog does not alert, we won't search the car. You understand what I'm saying? Just so you guys have an understanding what's going on, so you're not, hey, you know? You guys are smoking weed is not the end of the world, but weed is still illegal, especially here in Florida. Are you guys all from Orlando?
Yeah, I'm from New York.
And you? Yeah? You got the accent, right? The New York accent? You boys with a boogie? Nah.
7522.
Oh, you boy with a boogie is crazy.
And 6'9", right? He's from New York?
You can also 70 unit just
You fuck with him also? Nah?
Hell, they probably low-key, they
Cool, man. I
probably
wish
low-key
you guys the
hops
best of
with
luck, man. Maybe one day I see you guys out there. I'm like, bro, I pulled this guy over one day. He was cool.
Can you just one for a second?
He sound like a fan.
Turn it on. Well, so do a close up your cuffs really quick. Turn it on. Just don't resist, all right? All right. You're 19 years old.
Being detained.
You're being detained. You're not being arrested.
Let us continue the
Listen, I promise you, I'll let you know what's going on. But remember honesty. Remember the word honesty. Then I came up and I was honest with everybody, you know. But now we're gonna start lying to cops. It's just one of those things that's like, bro. I was up front with everybody here, bro. I asked for honesty, okay? That's a surprise to me, you know? I asked you, I asked everybody in the car clearly, hey, any weapons in the car? Right or wrong? It's on camera, you know? I'm not saying that you're, you know, it's just...
I mean, me personally, you already had the dog there, so shit, you smelled weed, you had the dog there, so why am I going to tell you shit? If you find it, you find it. I ain't got to tell you that. That's just me personally.
That's hot. I can get some water.
Yeah, look, I'm going to put the air on. Can you give me about 10 minutes or you're going to pass out?
I can get some
They
water.
don't pass out.
I'm going to bring you inside, all right, bro?
So they only took DD in?
Put your hands up. No, put your hands together.
Oh.
Yeah.
You gonna tighten this on?
Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you. Yeah, bro.
Damn, so he the only one that got took in?
Like, you have water here and you have the... Cuffs off. I'm gonna just pull one.
That's fine.
Stay right here. What you mean?
Like this, so I can lay down. It's gonna take a couple hours, you said.
For now, can you hold it for now and then later in a bit? Because there's more people here. I'll probably just take you, so it's quicker. Like, we're just gonna see how long it takes, right? If you need anything, just let me know.
Where the hell they got them at? That's
So
the
you
check.
could just fill a cup of water for me, so I gotta.
You can call me, bro. I don't have a cup here, but if you, bro, just call me. I'm not gonna get bothered, bro. Promise you, bro. I'm not gonna bother you. Just call me. If you need something, call me, alright? If there's somebody that's bothering you, call me. I'll take care of it, alright? Yeah.
It gotta be like this.
What you mean?
It gotta be like this.
I mean, that's our policy. I can't have you loose. You get what I'm saying? And bro, I put it really loose, bro. I didn't even put it tight.
Niggas probably be getting up out of there on them.
Yeah.
Give me a second. If nobody comes. Hey, listen. Before I question you and we move forward in this case, I'm gonna read you your rights. All right? Okay. Is there anything right now obstructing you from hearing or answering any questions? All right. Can you hear me right now with a clear and unobstructed? I'm gonna turn off my radio. What's your highest level of
Loud as
education?
hell.
Sounds great.
10th grade?
Yeah, 11th grade.
That nigga only
So
made it
would
to
you
10th
answer- Would
grade?
you be able to understand what I'm asking?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your first name?
David.
Last name?
Reyes.
Date of birth? These are your Miranda rights, right? Just let me talk, okay? And then after we'll take it from there, right?
That little nigga only made it to 10th
The other
grade.
rights
It's
inside.
crazy.
Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney. You cannot afford an attorney. One will be provided for you. If you decide to answer questions now without an attorney present, you will still have the right to stop answering questions at any time until you talk to an attorney. Do you understand the rights I have read to you?
Yes.
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Hmm?
Having these rights in mind, do you wish to speak to me?
Yeah, nigga.
What that mean?
Like, having these rights, I just read you your rights.
He just asked you, did you understand what you said? Hey, Didi, this is at the point when you just say, hey, he asked you, and this when you shut the hell up and get you a lawyer. That's all you gotta do in this situation.
Okay, with those rights that I read you,
That nigga
having
said,
them
what
in
that
mind,
mean?
you wish to
He
speak to me.
just-
I want to ask you some questions, and in order for me to ask you some questions,
He just
okay,
asked you.
I need to know that the rights I read to you, you understand them, and you're willing to
Do you
speak.
understand, bro?
So, you understood the rights that I read to you? Okay, with those rights in mind, you still wish to speak to me.
No, be quiet.
Where were you coming from today?
I'll shoot my video.
What type of video?
South Beach.
What type of video?
It's a music video.
Music video? Okay, and where were you guys staying?
Hilton.
Hilton? What, here in Miami or in like Miami Beach?
Yeah, Hilton Hotel.
Okay. What brings you down to Miami?
Shooting my video.
He did that.
Studio. With producers. Studio. It's my job.
Okay. And so you guys just filmed the video and you guys got some McDonald's and we're going back to, I guess, what, the hotel or whatever? Okay. How long are you gonna be here for?
It's till Saturday.
And then go up to back to. What, you had a new song or something?
Yeah, I gotta shoot. I have to shoot a couple of videos.
Cool. All right. And so the driver, you said the driver was
One of my managers.
one of your managers, and the guys in the car were
My cousins.
your cousins, but like family or just like
Like,
close
we grew up
friends?
together. We grew up together.
Where up?
Like, I grew up in Harlem. So,
Oh, Harlem.
yeah.
Okay. So, got you. Okay, and you have family down here that brings you to Orlando, or you just?
Yeah, my cousin lives up in Boca Raton.
Okay, so you come to Miami a lot, or?
They in Orlando or Miami? He just
Okay.
in Miami?
So when I pulled you guys over, did you see us behind you before we pulled you? You had no idea the cops were behind you guys?
This
When
nigga
did you
talking.
notice
It's
that we were
crazy.
there?
When I was supposed to.
Oh, okay. Because we were behind you when you guys were by the McDonald's,
Yeah.
and then we ended up pulling you over. So, I mean, you weren't driving. I mean, it's not, were you guys smoking in the car?
Not in a car.
Oh, I'm sorry?
Not in a car. You can't smoke in a car. You can't take-
Now, why would the car smell like weed?
It's like there's some weed in it. Can't smoke in it.
You smoke a lot, or?
Why would he smoke a lot?
I'm sorry?
Yes, I lost my little brother. That's the only way I could cook my pain.
What happened? If you mind me asking, what happened to your little brother?
He got killed
He did? What, gunfire?
with a knife.
Oh, sorry to hear that, bro. What, here, man? Okay. So, and when I asked you if there was a gun in the car, why didn't you tell me, hey, look, I got a gun in the car, officer?
Be quiet. Don't say
I really
nothing.
was.
I'm sorry?
So I really was. 'Cause,
But did you know the gun was in there?
yeah.
Oh,
Why did you carry it?
what the? Come on, DD, bro. Oh my God. Here we go, guys.
Because I'm an artist and I know people people would want to rob me just because they think little kid because of how I look. I got so much jewelry. Understand?
Right. I understand. I mean, I understand what you're saying. You know, do you have any like ops or anything? Like any beef?
The fact that the police know about ops is crazy, bro.
Okay. And that's in New York that you have that. And do you think any of those people have any ties here to Miami?
Nope.
No.
I think so. Probably. Who knows? I never know.
Gotcha, bro.
You never know.
All right. And
Man.
bro, you know, I mean, I just want to tell you something. You know, I respect. I know you're an artist. And I'm pretty sure you produce good music. But look, you know, if you have a gun in the car, you know, it's one of those things that it's just more of a precaution. That's why I ask, you know, for my safety, the other officer's safety. You get what I'm trying to say, bro? It's something that we ask everybody, you know, just to say, just so we know that that there's a gun in the car, bro. You know, it's not end of the world, but hey, look, I got a gun here, all right? It's in here, X, Y, and Z, you know, because God forbid, you know, because the bag was right next to you, you know. What if you would, you got, bro,
I understand
you know,
what you're saying. I understand what
I want to go home. I want you to be, I want you to go home. I want everybody in the car to go home. You know, it could be a bad misunderstanding with a big, you know, end that could have been potentially, you know, avoided. You know what I'm trying to say? But yeah. Where was the bag when you were in the car? Did you have the gun in your waistband and then throw it in there or something?
No.
You just had it in the backpack?
It's been in here the whole
Okay.
time.
Okay. There's a little piece in the back of the gun that's broken. Do you know anything about it? Like a little crack in the back,
No.
which is consistent with like with an auto sear.
Ooh, I hope he didn't have a switch on that motherfucker. I hope he did not.
That
Oh,
could have been
man.
attached to the back of the gun, like a switch. Okay. All right. Do you need water or anything? You want me to get you up to get your water? All right. So you understand the rights that I read to you earlier when we spoke. So with those rights in mind, I have some questions. Do you still wish to speak to me?
Hell no. Shut up. You already told me. You might as well go ahead and finish
Where do you have
conversation.
the gun?
In Orlando.
But from where?
In Orlando, like in some shit called Lake, son. Lakeland, son.
Like a store or?
No, from somebody.
Like a friend of yours, or you bought it off a person?
No, I don't know that nigga for real.
You don't? How much did you buy it for? $700 for the gun?
You see, this is the problem. This is the problem. And I always say this: if you're an artist and you a street nigga and you are worried about your life, get you some security. I know you want to have your own gun, but then the nigga 19. First of all, he young, so you can't have a gun anyway. So, cause like Gary say, you can have when your homies have it, but shit, 9 times out of 10, them niggas young too. Cause Diddy probably like legit probably one of the oldest niggas in the group. Like so, and because you know a lot of times these little niggas don't have no big homies no more, so they can't have the big homie have to buy the gun, and then he can't have no felonies. So buy the gun. You keep it. Like I said, you in Florida, so if y'all get pulled over, then the gun is on him. Shit, y'all cool. Yeah, it's my gun. Yeah, you feel me? He old enough, then bam. You as long as you ain't, y'all good. You feel me? But like, really get security, bro. If you really worried about your life, bro, get you some security, bro. You got enough money to do it. I know you want your own protection, but like that's what security guards for. They for your own protection. It's just like I don't know, man, but it's.
All right. And the gun's yours?
Bought it.
So it's yours?
Come on, dude.
Okay, so you bought the gun to protect you? Okay, but you didn't buy it at a store or none of that. It's just you bought it off somebody for
Cause he too
$700.
young.
Cash? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. You don't know who that is though. Okay. All right, man.
Come on, man.
We're gonna try and get you out of here quick.
Shit.
The driver of the car didn't have a gun.
That's my manager.
Your manager? He doesn't carry a gun. What? What about it?
I don't know. I don't know, cause I just met him for real.
Oh, you just met him?
Yeah.
But when you
You
in the
just
car, did you
met
have a
the
gun on
nigga?
him today?
Today?
Yeah. Smoke a lot?
Hey man, like I said, good thing that he took that motherfucking switch off the back of that bitch, boy. Cause hey, it'd have been, oh my god, it'd have been even worse. Like I said, he already young. Like I said, but you in Florida, bro. Like I said, you just get used to security, bro. That's all you gotta do. And when I catch y'all on the next one, man, we out. Ski.